You know, I actually hit like a thumb injury from thumbing. You get what I'm saying? So your song thumbing. Like yesterday, I had to sleep with 2 ice packs on both of my thumbs because I'm overusing my left thumb. Sometimes I can't open the water bottle, bro. I have to switch hands.
Bad, man.
Because I'm thumbing, bro.
It'd be better when you thumbing.
Okay, you gotta make sure this is closed. It's good.
Damn.
But because if
I don't even like.
Yeah. I'm gonna set the time and date.
Appreciate
How big are they? 5 and 5 or?
Right in.
Okay.
Right in.
And one of our customers, he's from France and went there. He said, dude, I've never seen earrings. And this guy bought $100,000 on Cuban for me in BBS. He saw it in BS and he's like, no, I need BBS. So he's like, I never seen diamonds this big. But it's true. Unless you're around rich people all the time, you don't really see.
When I was older, I had lost my back. And I was I was going to every jewelry store in Paris. It was like, you need a custom basket. You can't do nothing with it.
I swear
they can't do nothing with a 5-carat earring. They
crazy
thought it was a ring.
That's so funny.
They can't comprehend, bro. Their culture is different.
Exactly.
Like,
What we need to do, clean up on these?
Yeah, we're gonna do a cleaning. And
We'll
this
clean
ring
this
we
too,
need to
but
figure
we'll
clean it and then we put it in for repair and have them set the time and date on the Krazy.
Okay, cool.
Yeah. Have I shown you this ring before?
No.
I need to sell it to you.
Wife gonna be mad.
Wife already be mad seeing your ears.
Yeah. You should know this is a wedding ring.
God, home. Lunchbox.
We 100% have the certificate for it.
I don't know how you show me these rings, man.
It's no secret. It's a deal of a lifetime.
Alright, so look.
Yeah.
Looks like you just find me another.
It's the stone will be 200,000.
I know.
I can always do that for you.
I just pay the difference. You know what I'm saying?
No, 100%. If you did want to buy a $500,000 diamond, I'd be cool with it, but I'd be like, Glock, put this one up.
Don't wait till I get married.
You get what I'm saying? No, bro. I wouldn't. When I inherit my mom's $1 million diamond, that ain't going to my wife, bro. That is totally separate. No way.
I'm talking about mine. My finger, not her finger.
Yeah, hell no, bro. I would tell my girl, this will never be yours. Like, with all due respect, I'll get you a diamond, but you're never getting a 10K. Hell no. It hits the fan. We gotta save the whole family with selling this diamond. You get what I'm saying? Like,
for sure. Hey, what's up with it?
Get it. Make sure it's unisex. Get it.
So you can wear it. You ready to wear it?
Hey, the camo AP is sick with the camo. The camo.
My name drip.
Y'all still got that?
Yeah. Oh yeah. I remade the ring. SpongeBob. I named it SpongeBob because of you. Yeah, I have it back there.
I ain't bought myself no Christmas gift.
Oh, there it is. I see the price tag. A light 210 for Glock.
Yeah. Light. Nice. They be super cool.
Yeah. DY, what up, bro?
What's up, brothers?
You doing alright?
What's the word?
Yeah. Good.
What's going on?
That boy Will at?
He's with the client, but he'll come right back.
This one a little smaller for that.
No, same exact thing size. How does it fit? Is it perfect or?
Straight, because I don't be liking them too tight anyway.
Check it out.
I don't even want to touch that.
Oh, man, why you show me this?
Oh, yeah. He knows what to do.
You know, I just did a crazy piece for him. Is it a surprise for your artist? Yeah, pink diamonds and white diamonds. Hey, what's up, my bro? How's it going, man? Good. Where you at?
Miami.
Oh, Brickell, Miami. That's dope. How long you out there for?
The weekend.
Okay, cool. I saw you just got a new piece?
Yeah, hell yeah.
Oh, nice. Show me. Oh, bro, that's sick.
I'll pull up on y'all soon.
Come by maybe next week or something. Whatever you need, I got you.
Alright,
Yeah. And is it cool if I send you some designs, different concepts for the crew? Okay. All right. Appreciate it, my bro. Thank you, man. All right. Bye. This is crazy nice, bro. I mean, not many people have Eternity anyways, but Blue Diamond Eternity? Nobody got Blue Diamonds on Eternity now. Like,
We got a jump right there.
One of those doors, huh?
Yeah.
One of these right there, see?
Z.
What up? 80,000 for this one, 60,000 for this one, okay?
Look how you look.
80,000, 60,000, 140,000 with tax like 168. 168,000 plus the 210. That's not too bad.
Hey, you ain't see this shot, show the other way.
Oh, you gotta see this one.
Man, you get this on. Real.
What you want for this?
210.
Casamigos.
So were you involved in any of the creative process on the new Dolph album?
Daddy gonna put it together.
Oh yeah, he's
I ain't getting in the way of it.
nice.
Yeah.
Yeah. But you were already on that song that you're on. That song was recorded a long time ago.
It was already
That's cool,
done.
man.
hard,
Yeah,
though.
it's no, but it's still
Sure.
not. He got a bar on there talking about like never crying in front of your.
Yeah, I was like,
Damn. I said, yo, I gotta make sure I never do that. And then Dolph tells me something
He
like,
saying just to see it.
yeah, bro. He told me like one thing very important because, you know, obviously when you're a breadwinner and, you know, you got family around that you want to help or even friends that you want to help, that when you do help them, it's not about getting it back. Now you go help somebody else. Like if I help you get in a good position, I don't want none of that back. I just want you to provide for your
That's where I
family.
get it from.
Look at this, man. Wow.
Yeah.
Now look.
Let me show Glock real quick because he likes to see creative things too, man.
Crazy mob. Clean.
Check
Ah,
it.
these are the kinks you was
Look,
talking about.
so expensive, bro.
I can tell them they ain't here too.
Yeah.
And I like when I did the little peek in the middle, like around there. I ain't seen nobody do that yet.
He was like, hey, Will, give me a pen and paper. And he did everything. Yeah. Even on the log, too. Yeah. I was like, man, D.Y., you did my job for me.
I like that one.
Like,
That was nice.
neat, huh?
Yeah.
Did you design it or was there?
I had it made.
You know, I actually get like a thumb injury from like just thumbing. You get what I'm saying? So your song thumbing. Like yesterday, I had to sleep with 2 ice packs on both of my thumbs. You know about that
What's
phase,
that,
and
2 ice packs?
yeah, really, I had to have 2 ice packs because I'm overusing my left thumb because my right thumb has a real injury, and I went to the doctor
You
for it.
fractured your thumb, huh?
No, it's tendonitis. It's just from overuse. Sometimes I can't open the water bottle, bro. I have to switch.
Bad then.
Cause I'm thumbing, bro. That's what
Straight
the
up.
song said, thumbing, bro.
Feel better when you thumb.
Yeah, feel better though. Bust all the way down.
You just do it like this then.
Oh.
You just do it like
Yeah.
that.
Twist
Blue,
her out.
like the blue lantern.
Damn.
Green lantern, blue lantern.
Yeah.
Where are you going? How do you decide where you're going to be in Memphis or if you're going to be here or where? Like I'm talking about if you have time off.
Out of here.
You don't have any kids?
Not yet.
I heard Glock got 3 babies on the way, 3 different women.
Nah, it's 2.
2? Okay. Glock got 2 kids on the way.
Man, what? Smith and Wesson. My kids, Smith and Wesson.
Dressing is a sport. I learned that from him. And check this out. Camo AP, camo fleece, and check the shoes.
Gotta go, Jay.
Bro, what kind of fit is that? This completes the outfit. You know, we always add an extra 0. You know, that's the thing at Icebox.
Just hold on to it till next time.
Exactly.
Just hold on to it.
I'm Tiger Woods with these golf balls.
Yeah, I think you're gonna talk me into getting this. Yo, you know what's going on? Pull up at the Icebox, you know what I'm saying? Or you can go online, or you can just scream out Z and he'll come find you. Yeah.
Scream out Z. Appreciate
Scream
it, my
out
bro.
Z.
Thank you so much.
Love.
Yep.
I'm gonna see you in a couple days.